The round blender has a rounded tip that's slightly angled, tapered, rounded tip that's tapered. It's got semi-soft bristles, and it works well for things like dry brushing and stippling. We'll be using it to make some clouds. I'm going to add a little bit of blue-gray now. Maybe a little bit of white so it's not so bright. So I'm loading the paint fairly thickly and tapping it along the edge where I want the color the brightest. And then I can use what's left on the brush to just kind of scrub it off and dry brush. This brush does a really good job of stippling like this. It's really great for working these colors into one another with these kind of choppy brush strokes. Start adding a little bit brighter blue. So I'm going to go in kind of dark, and then I'm going to add my colors on my lighter colors on top. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of fill in the rest of this area with some dark color, and then we'll come back in and add some bright highlights. So I'm going to start with my white here. My sun's coming through right here. And so these clouds here are getting some sunlight on them. Just going to tap right along those leading edges, brighten that up. And there's some sunbeams that are coming out too, but I'm going to wait to do those till the very end, I think.